to Brownie Balls. Today we are making spongy brownie balls. If you want to cook with me, go get your stuff and remember to wash your hands. If you're using anything hot or sharp, go get an adult. They like to feel important. First, you put everything in the bowl and stir it up. So then 2 scoops of oat flour. So then you put everything into the bowl, but 2 scoops of oat flour first. Okay. Then half a cup of chocolate, cocoa batter. And then pour it. Then open the sun butter and pour 1 cup of sun butter into. I can't pour it out. Okay, it's coming. It's finally coming. It's finally coming. That's a lot of sun butter. Peanut butter. Okay. Put that much into the bowl, which is a lot. You can spoon it out if you need to. I do. Because it's so messy and sticky. Then you need a cup of applesauce. Well, not a cup, but that was easy. Dump that in the bowl. And then, last but not least, you only need a spoonful of cinnamon. Just a spoonful. You don't want too much cinnamon. That'll be bad. Dump.
Pause.
And set your spoon, if it's like floury, like really floury, use your hands to like mush it all up. This is my batter. Okay, so when it's like really all smashed up like this, the whole thing's really not that crumbly and smushed up, you can take a little handful and then like make it roll it into a ball on a plate, and then maybe you could pack it down and set it, and then keep on doing that till you have lots of little balls. Keep on doing that until your all of your dough is gone. It's okay if there's still just a little bit of crumbs at the bottom, but just is all done. So now, if you want like a little bit like yummier, funner stuff, you can put a little bit of cinnamon on top. I think it will be yummier, so I'm going to do it. Then after you put some cinnamon, if you want it, you can roll it up again. So you get cinnamon all over. Yummy. Perfect. Now, whenever you're done, you can like eat them. You can eat them or put more stuff on them. I'm gonna try one. Yummy. Healthy foods without a grown-up? I'm Cora and I can teach you.